coming to you live from the Cloud Foundry Summit in Europe in Basel. I'm here with Kevin Smith. Kevin, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
All right, so you work for SUSE.
Yeah.
And what do you do for them?
So I run the pre-sales team for Europe.
Cool. And so as we were talking about before, I used to work at another company with SUSE a while back, and SUSE just meant Linux to me.
Right.
And so it sounds like from yesterday's keynote, you all are doing a bunch more.
Sure.
So what are you doing?
Yeah, so well, as you know, we've been around for 25 years, and our foundation is Linux. That's where we're born. But we're branching out into other areas now with the new software-defined approach. So whether that's cloud technologies, so we have solutions for the cloud around OpenStack. We have a storage offerings as well, based on open source technology from Ceph, which gives us software-defined storage. And today we're at the Cloud Foundry Summit because we're announcing our cloud application platform based on Cloud Foundry. So what we're seeing is quite a big move in the market with open source, adopting DevOps and the agility it brings. So that naturally, is a good playing ground for SUSE to add its value around, support enterprise-grade products.
And the one thing also that I had forgotten, they mentioned in the keynote, is the fact that you had gotten a lot of folks from HPE, the
Right.
OpenStack folks.
Correct.
What was the other group?
Staccato.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so we acquired assets from HPE, which brought across the people and the technology. So their Helion OpenStack offering, as well as their Staccato Cloud Foundry offering. So that is actually the base for our cloud application platform offering. And what we're doing with Helion is we're merging our version of OpenStack with theirs, and we'll have a new product early in the new year.
And so how are you saying, they're obviously different things, OpenStack and Cloud Foundry, but how are you basically laying them out to, say, customer says, well, how are these similar, how are these different?
No, good question. There's a lot of grey areas and a lot of combining technologies. So it depends what you want to do at the end of the day. If you want a fully sort of software-defined infrastructure to look after networking, storage, compute, to merge your sort of existing infrastructure, then cloud or SUSE OpenStack Cloud is a great platform for that. If you want just the ability to run containers and support containers, we have a container-based offering, which is great for that. And if you want people just to code and write applications, then Cloud Foundry is the way to do that. But again, that's underpinned by our technology, our cloud or our container-based technology.
So do you sell it as a Cloud Foundry on top of OpenStack at this point, or will you?
Not to be announced.
Okay. That's right. It's a bit coy, but it was announced that later this year you're going to be number 7 of the distros. Is that, or what can you say publicly? What did they?
So yeah, we'll have a Cloud Foundry product. We'll get it approved, and when the time's right, that will be announced.
Interesting.
But we're part of the foundation. We'll abide by the foundations. We'll make sure we're certified so our customers, have a reliable, trusted platform to run on. And if that means doing the certification route, then we'll obviously do that because it's in our customers' benefit to make sure it's on a supported platform.
Awesome. Kevin Smith, thank you so much.
Thank you.